is James Glass, and I'm here working on our tiny home, and Simon is kind enough to film. I wanted to show everybody how to use a Greenie. I think I've done a video once on Greenies like already in place, but I wanted to show how simple it is. So this is a simple 15 amp circuit with a 15 amp receptacle coming out of this outlet, and the hot wires simply go to the gold side, the short side. The white wires go to the silver side, the taller side on the receptacle. But that's pretty straightforward, but these Greenies make life so much easier. So when you cut all your wires, if you focus on this side, I cut all my wires so they're thumb's length, you know, sticking out of the box. You have to have something to work with. I left one of them, one of the grounds long, and one the same length as the other wires. Slide your Greenie over the long one and tighten the two together, like so. And now you have this great easy to rock connection that'll connect directly to your, make that a skosh tighter, it'll connect directly to your receptacle or whatever fixture it happens to be, whatever it is, and boom, pop that in there like that, screw it down, hook up everything else, and you're good to go. That's the joy of Greenies. Hey, thanks for watching how to use a Greenie. They are awesome ground wire nuts with a nice little hole in the end that just makes life so simple. Thanks for watching.